This conference will now be recorded.
Hello everyone. In the last session, we have seen how to create a record, right? Using create operation. So today we will continue our discussion with retrieve, update, delete, and clear. Okay. So I'll be doing a separate session on retrieve, update, delete, and clear. Okay. So let me try to add details here. Let me provide details for customer. Customer name, let me say um, Syed Kareem. Customer type, gold type I'm giving here. And the email ID, yeah, let me give some email ID here. Yeah. So whenever I click on create button, a record will be inserted. We'll go and check whether the record has been inserted successfully or not. Refresh this records tab, which you'll be able to see what new record in this local source, right? Okay, fine. Now the thing is we have to concentrate on what? We have to concentrate on retrieving part. Okay, so whenever I provide the customer ID and then click on this retrieve button, I should be able to see the customer details, right? Yeah. So let us achieve this requirement now. Okay. Now let me go to the activity which we have already created. Okay. So we have added a step called obj save step, right? To save the record into the DB. Now we'll go and add one more step. Yeah. Okay, I need to retrieve the record now in this case. For retrieving the record, we have a method called obj open. So let us use this obj open method. Okay, click on obj method, obj open method. I mean, which class record I wanted to open? I wanted to open, yeah, HDFC. Yeah, customer class. While opening, I wanted to log this record and I wanted to release the log on commit of this record. Okay. If I'm not selecting these two options, what will happen? Let us see that. Okay. As of now, I'm not selecting these two checkboxes. So the importance of these two checkboxes will let you know about it. Okay. Now I wanted to open the record based on which property, which is the unique property. Yeah, customer ID, right? Let us give that customer ID here. Customer dot customer ID. Okay, customer ID, and yeah, the value we will be going to get dynamically from the user, right? Yeah, and that value will be available on the clipboard page, which is py work page. We need to define the py work page. So I have defined a py work page here. Yeah, now let us use this py work page here. Py work page dot, okay, dot customer dot customer ID. Okay, that's it. Now this, yeah, using, I'm just passing that customer ID, and based on this customer ID, I'll be going to open the record, and that record I wanted to place on a page called customer page itself. Okay, let me specify the page as what? Customer here. Now let me save this. That's it. And one second. Anyhow, the page context is what here? The step page. Here we have specified the step page, right? When you specify the step page, it will take the step page context. In that case, you need not to specify the dot customer here. It will take what? The step page context itself. Say. And one more thing, the second step has to be executed if the operation is what? A retrieve. So that condition I'll be going to specify using this when rule. Okay. So using this when option here, I'll be going to specify the when condition. Okay. Let me click on this when. Enable what condition before this action. What is that when condition? If the operation primary dot operation equal to what? A retrieve. Okay, if the operation is equal to retrieve, then it should execute that step. Okay, otherwise skip the step. That's it. This is what we have to configure. Okay. That's it. Now let's go and verify whether, yeah, before going to verify it, let us go to the section first of all. Now on the section, click on the retrieve button, go to the action. We have to provide an action right here. So we are performing which event? Click event. Specify click event and what action has to be performed? Refresh. So at the time of refresh, I wanted to call data transform, which is your set operation data transform. What operation we are trying to perform here? Retrieve, right? Retrieve. And what is that activity we have to call it? We have to call the CRUD activity. That's it. Done. So we have done with the configurations. Now let's go and verify whether it is working or not. Okay. Let us open the existing case itself. Refresh this case. Yeah, case got refreshed. Now let me provide a customer ID here and then click on retrieve button. Once you click on the retrieve button, am I able to get the customer information or not? So let me provide a meaningful message saying that record retrieved successfully. So let me go to the section now. So here I'll add one more label, like how we have added record inserted successfully in the same way, record retrieved successfully. Okay. Let me just copy this, paste it here. Yeah. So on this, yeah, let me change the label name here. Record retrieved successfully, right? Record retrieved successfully. And yeah, when this has to be visible, if the operation is retrieve. Okay. Let me submit. Save. Now we'll go to the case once. Refresh the case. Refresh. Yeah, got refreshed. Now let us provide the customer ID. Yeah, we have already a customer ID called 1001. Yeah. Whenever I click on retrieve, yes, we are getting the customer details, right? So retrieve option is successful. Whenever I give the customer ID as 1002, I'll be getting a different customer details. If I give 1003, I'll be getting what? A different customer. Okay. Now, the thing is, yeah, we'll see if there is no customer, then how to handle that situation in a different session. I'll explain that in a different session. Okay. So let me complete the other options like what? Delete, update, and clear also. I'll continue this discussion in a separate session. Yeah, thank you all for being with me. Please subscribe this channel for new updates.